Did you see that? With great practice, you can move like this too. Hello, and welcome to this video that will show you how to move around. As you can see, moving is not easy to do. I can do it, but in stages. It is not a smooth transition. Regardless though, I will teach you everything I know so that you can try moving yourself, and perhaps you too will be able to develop the abilities to move around. Now, in order to be able to move around, you are first going to need to think of things that do not move around at all. What things barely move around? Oh, I got it. A mannequin dummy. Now, where are they found? That's right, in shops. Therefore, you're going to want to avoid standing around in shops. Remember, you are not a mannequin dummy. You are a human being. What other things are stationary? Yes, you got it. Trees. Now, trees are found outside, so in order to avoid being a tree yourself, you're going to want to do the opposite, and you must therefore stay indoors at all times. This should definitely help you to move around. Right, so we are on the correct path now, as we now know what we shouldn't do. The only thing left to learn is what we should do in order to move around. So how on earth do we do it? With this. Yes, it is your brain that does all the work for you so that you can move. Therefore, just make sure you have a brain, and you should hopefully be able to start moving. I acquired my brain a few years ago, and it has served me pretty well in that time. Now, I'm sure some of you out there are probably skeptical as to whether this brain method will actually lead you to start moving. Well, I'm about to prove all the doubters wrong. Did you see that? I moved. And that was all thanks to my brain. You see? I did it again. My brain is causing me to move. Can you believe it? That was another one. That was like a full head movement there. Now, I think I'm going to try some advanced moving. That's it. Come on, brain. You've got this. Whoa, steady on there. Steady on, that's too much. That's too much, I can't handle it. That's too much movement. Okay, let's... Oh, the hands. The hands moved by themselves. I didn't even know what just happened there. Just keep the head in place. Let's try and put the head back in place. It's a bit too much movement in one day, I think. There we go. So I hope now that you'll be able to acquire your very own brain so that you too will be able to move around yourself. If you need assistance on another topic, then why not try your luck by writing said comment in the comment section, and it may just be picked up by myself. And as a result, a video could be brought to light on that subject. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to go now and use my brain to start moving around. So I'll catch you later. See you. Okay. Oh, brain, careful. Careful, brain. The brain's taking me this way. Okay, off we go. Oh, going this way again. Steady on, brain. This is a lot of movement. Brain. Brain.